Coney Island, Far Rock. It's only bound to happen when real niggas combine. Tell the old lady in the lobby, mind her fucking business. We out here. Yo, fuck your life, fuck peace and fuck unity. Fuck positive vibes in your online community. Fuck out here. Go ask your bitch to console you. You popular online. In real life, nobody knows. Fuck you. I'm out here getting love in these streets. Watch a dyke go on strike soon as he touches the meat. These rap dudes not fucking with me. I knock niggas out with slaps like it's nothing to me. And my bitch move like the professional. Go get some milk. Probably slap some dick to a mother because that bitch a milk. My lawyer told me don't admit to guilt. Spent 40,000 on the chain. 10% of that'll get you killed. I'm hard fellow, you sweeter than marshmallows. This an AP. We don't do rollies from Marcello. How you think a $30,000 watch will cost you $6? You a stupid motherfucker. Suck a bag of dick.
Yeah, let's go, Nems. Let's show these niggas how the fuck New York get down. From CI to the Rock, all boroughs, nigga. We mobbing. Go out there and get to it, nigga. Ain't no time for being dusty. Yeah, Beloved. Lord, Lord. From CI to the Rock, yeah, we trying niggas' hearts. Get you jack for your whip and your ice while you park. Grams in the building, how the slams on the children. Get you checked for baguettes, no respect for your feelings. Lord, I'm all in the street, none taller than me. Put 4 in your cheek, now you falling asleep. Smoking on God's plant and speaking the gospel. Squeezing the nostrils so your people can topple. Gorilla and the Lord gang, killer let your swords swing. 4 inside your peephole, once you hear the door ring. Lobby all pissy, mommy all tipsy. Toothbrush my scuffs, Lord, I'm trying to walk crispy. Glamour on my hip, even grandma on the strip. Selling pills and some pies, she be standing with a stick. Sitting on the crate with a pistol on my waist. Official on my ace, only liquor getting chased, motherfucker.
That's all we know, motherfucker. Let's go. Yeah. Fuck your life. Yeah. That's right. We gonna get it any means, motherfucker. Any way, anyhow. Gorilla, Lord Flee. Live from the motherfucking boroughs. Every day is a grind. We start with nothing, end with it all. It's for my niggas out there grinding, you heard? You know what the fuck it is? Coney Island. Fuck your life.